Hey everyone! If you're here, chances are you're ready to take control of your money, and YNAB is the perfect place to start. The first step to making a budget is understanding where your money goes. Think about your fixed bills like rent or subscriptions, your flexible expenses like groceries or fuel, and those occasional surprises like car repairs or holiday gifts. These become your budget categories. Now, check your current bank balance. YNAB works with the money you have right now, not future income. That's where Rule 1 comes in. Give every dollar a job. Every dollar should have a purpose before you spend it, whether that's bills, food, or saving for something fun. Then comes Rule 2. Embrace your true expenses. This means planning ahead for those big, irregular costs by saving for them a little bit each month. No more budget panic. Rule 3 is all about flexibility. Roll with the punches. If you overspend in one category, just move money from another. It's your budget, not a prison. And finally, Rule 4, age your money. The goal is to get ahead so that the money you earn this month pays for next month's expenses. That way, you're never scrambling.